Hi everyone, I'm Grace. Welcome to Bright Learners. Today we'll explore 100 common garden words. Are you ready? Let's get started. Yard areas,
Yard areas.
front yard,
Front yard.
backyard,
Backyard.
fence,
Fence.
gate,
Gate.
shed,
Shed.
pathway,
Pathway.
stone,
Stone.
statue,
Statue.
wind chime,
Wind chime.
arbor,
Arbor.
spigot,
Spigot.
grill,
Grill.
garden tools,
Garden tools.
gardening gloves,
Gardening gloves.
gardening boots,
Gardening boots.
garden fork,
Garden fork.
yard broom,
Yard broom.
rake,
Rake.
trowel,
Trowel.
pruning shears,
Pruning shears.
yard string,
Yard string.
garden wire,
Garden wire.
clothesline,
Clothesline.
hose,
Hose.
hose reel,
Hose reel.
sprinkler,
Sprinkler.
watering can,
Watering can.
lawn mower,
Lawnmower.
leaf blower,
Leaf blower.
wheelbarrow,
Wheelbarrow.
compost bin,
Compost bin.
outdoor items,
Outdoor items.
hammock,
Hammock.
lawn chair,
Lawn chair.
outdoor table,
Outdoor table.
outdoor bench,
Outdoor bench.
picnic table,
Picnic table.
Dog house.
Dog house.
Bird nest.
Bird nest.
Bird feeder.
Bird feeder.
Bird house.
Bird house.
Bird bath.
Bird bath.
Plant pot.
Plant pot.
Plant stand.
Plant stand.
Rain barrel.
Rain barrel.
Garden plants.
Garden plants.
Grass.
Grass.
Leaf.
Leaf.
Tree.
Tree.
Branch.
Branch.
Tree bark.
Tree bark.
Mushroom.
Mushroom.
Blossom.
Blossom.
Bush.
Bush.
Blooming bush.
Blooming bush.
Fern.
Fern.
Flower bed.
Flower bed.
Vegetable bed.
Vegetable bed.
Hanging planter.
Hanging planter.
Seeds.
Seeds.
Bulbs.
Bulbs.
Bud.
Bud.
Petal.
Petal.
Stem.
Stem.
Thorn.
Thorn.
Roots.
Roots.
Vine.
Vine.
Rose.
Rose.
Hydrangea.
Hydrangea.
Clover.
Clover.
Lavender.
Lavender.
Geranium.
Geranium.
Dandelion.
Dandelion.
Sunflower.
Sunflower.
Coneflower.
Coneflower.
Ivy.
Ivy.
Weed.
Weed.
Leaf pile.
Leaf pile.
Soil.
Soil.
plant food,
plant food,
garden wildlife,
garden wildlife,
robin,
robin,
sparrow,
sparrow,
blue jay,
blue jay,
northern cardinal,
northern cardinal,
hummingbird,
hummingbird,
dog,
dog,
rabbit,
rabbit,
raccoon,
raccoon,
squirrel,
squirrel,
ant,
ant,
bee,
bee,
caterpillar,
caterpillar,
butterfly,
butterfly,
fly,
fly,
ladybug,
ladybug,
slug,
slug,
snail,
snail,
spider,
spider,
worm,
worm,
grasshopper,
grasshopper,
dragonfly,
dragonfly,
play structures,
play structures,
slide,
slide,
swing,
swing,
tire swing,
tire swing,
sandbox,
sandbox,
treehouse,
treehouse,
inflatable pool,
inflatable pool,
trampoline,
trampoline,
yard activities,
yard activities,
digging soil,
digging soil,
planting flowers,
planting flowers,
watering plants,
watering plants,
building a birdhouse,
building a birdhouse,
mowing the lawn,
mowing the lawn,
hanging the clothes,
hanging the clothes,
composting,
composting,
harvesting,
harvesting,
pulling weeds,
Pulling weeds.
Raking leaves.
Raking leaves.
Playing ball.
Playing ball.
Having a barbecue.
Having a barbecue.
Taking a nap.
Taking a nap.
Meditating.
Meditating.
Backyard camping.
Backyard camping.
Now let's learn 5 fun facts about gardens. Zen garden. Japanese Zen gardens use sand and rocks to show peace and balance. Watering can. A watering can was invented more than 300 years ago. Compost. Compost turns food scraps into plant food. Ladybug. Ladybugs help gardens by eating plant pests. Robin. Robins are one of the first birds to sing in spring. Awesome job, everyone! That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and easy English learning. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye!